Hey guys, it's Brian from the Ramen Man, and I got nothing to drink but milk, so I'm gonna go like to the laundry and get soda in the freaking rain. Crap. Okay. Crap. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh douche. God, someone will turn my camera. Oh, God. Oh, God. Safe. Oh, God, my camera's wet. Bad. God. Okay, let's see this work. I feel like I got a heart attack.
I got a cramp.
Okay. 60 cents. It's hard to hold this camera. Coke.
I told you it doesn't work.
Dang it! I can't. Now we gotta go back. Son of a turd. Okay. Ready, get set, go. Ah! God! Ah! Oh God! God, it's raining. Oh God! Oh, I'm watering my shoes, watering my shoes. Oh, oh God! Oh my, God, now my camera's wet.
Man, I'm freaking wet.
Yes, I am wearing only one sock.